Hey, what's going on, guys? We have this question right here. It's asking find the value of c that makes the function continuous on R. And we know this is a polynomial function, therefore it's continuous. Wait a minute. So this is continuous when x is less than 4 and greater than 4. So first let's take that. So this is a polynomial, and therefore it's continuous at x is greater than 4 and x is less than 4. So the question is asking find the value of c that makes the function continuous. So but we know that it's continuous in less than 4, greater than 4, but if it has to be continuous at x equal to 4, it has to follow this rule. The limit when x approaches 4 from the left hand side. So left hand side f of x should be equal to limit x approaches 4 from the right hand side and f of 4. So all of them should be equal if it should be continuous at 4. To be continuous at 4, continuous at x is equal to 4, this is the rule it has to satisfy. So first of all we have, so we have to equalize this equation and find what's the c value. So we know at that c value this is going to be continuous. So let's see. So let's take this first equation from left hand limit. So it's going to be limit x approaches 4 from the left hand side is going to be equal to, so from the left hand side mean is less than 4, so less than 4 is here, this equation minus x square minus c square plus 2c. So instead of x I substitute this 4, it's going to be minus 4 square minus c square plus 2c. So if I get the value, it's going to be minus 16 minus c square plus 2c. And then if I find the limit from the right hand side, is going to be limit f of x approaches 4 plus, and this is going to be equal to this equation c minus 9x over 2. It's going to be, if I substitute 4 for the x, it's going to be c minus 9 times 4 over 2 is equal to c minus 18. And f of 4 is going to be same thing, it's going to be equal to c minus 9x over 2 and c minus 18. So to be continuous, yes, as I stated before, here limit from left hand side should be equal to limit from right hand side and equal to f of 4. So in this case, if you see f of 4 and from the right hand side has the same equation and the left hand side has different equations, so we can take one of this equation equalize to this one. So if I do that, I will get c minus 18 is equal to minus 16 minus c square plus 2c, and if I bring everything to the one side, it's going to become, so let's take to the other side. So it's going to be c square and 2c minus 2 minus 2c plus c is going to be minus c, and if I take this 16 to this side, it's going to be minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to 0. Since we have minus 2 and minus c, so we have to find the value that's when we multiply we have to get negative 2, and when we add we have to get negative 1. So negative 2 and 1 will work. So negative 2 and 1, so because when you add negative 2 and 1, it's going to become minus 1, and multiply is going to be minus 2. So I can take that one, it's going to be minus 2c plus c minus 2 is equal to 0. So if I take c common, it's going to be c minus 2. If I take 1 common, it's going to be minus c minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore it's going to be c minus 2 and c plus 1. Therefore we know the f of x is going to be continuous, so we can solve this. Is c is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 1, so we know f of x is going to be continuous when c is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 2. This is my minus 1. This is my final answer. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.